Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate customer retention with Retently, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Retently website and create your account. Fill in the necessary details to set up your profile. Once your account is created, log in to the Retently dashboard. Familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout and available features. Next, navigate to the Surveys section to create your first customer feedback survey. Select the type of survey that best suits your needs, such as NPS, CSAT, or CES. Customize your survey by adding questions relevant to your business objectives. After customizing, configure the survey settings, including the frequency and timing of the feedback requests. Now, integrate Retently with your existing CRM or customer management system. Follow the instructions for your specific platform to ensure seamless data flow. Once the integration is complete, you can begin sending out your surveys to customers. Monitor the responses in real time through the dashboard to gauge customer sentiment. Use the insights gathered to identify areas for improvement in your product or service. Next, set up automated follow-ups based on customer responses. For example, send personalized thank you messages to promoters and offer assistance to detractors. Utilize Retently's reporting features to track your customer retention metrics over time. Analyze trends in customer feedback to refine your retention strategies further. Regularly review the effectiveness of your automated campaigns and adjust as necessary. By consistently engaging with customers and responding to their feedback, you will foster greater loyalty. Finally, make sure to stay updated on any new features or updates from Retently that may enhance your retention efforts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.